back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a watercolor with me video, and in this video I'm right now drawing a castle, and this watercolor painting will be having clouds and palace. I wanted to depict that there is a palace in the sky among the clouds. Not just the palace, but also there will be some houses. Actually, I will be drawing 2 houses only. To depict that there is a whole city in the sky, like a dreamy thing and a fantasy like thing, which cannot be true. And I am drawing a bridge also to get the connections between the other clouds and the houses. I just wanted to draw something like this, something fantasy or something dreamy, and I came up with this idea, and now I'm just sketching out my imagination on the sheet of paper. I'm using Winsor and Newton colors, and I will be linking down all my supplies in the description box so that you can have an idea that what all I am using in this video. For the sky I have used Pathol blue and ultramarine blue. These are watercolors, and I will be giving a little shade of white in the sky also. Now for the clouds, I'm using the same 2 blue colors, which is ultramarine and patholo blue, and I will also be using Chinese white so that to give the shading to the clouds. And not only to the clouds, I will be using white to draw some random floating clouds. So here I am using the white now to show. I also draw a circle. I don't know, it can be sun or it can be moon. I don't know what it should be, but I randomly draw it because it's in a sky and there should be something. Sun or moon are always there. So I don't know what it exactly is, but it can be sun or moon, both. Not both, but I will be coloring it yellow, and I'm using my white paint to just give a little bit effect to the clouds, and I'm also drawing some random clouds. I just want to show that everything is floating. Now I'm using some more colors, some more extra colors, which I also link down in the description box for the palace and the house and the leftover things. For the palace, I'm going with gray and a mixture of green and blue so that it comes out to be sea green or turquoise. And I'm using my brown color to just highlight some, borders of the palace, or to just give a different color basically to the palace, not just gray and turquoise. I know right now it is not at all looking good, but believe me, the result is very good. It's far, far better from what it is now. I'm also coloring the two houses behind the palace which I showed with brown and red color. Now I'm just covering off the leftover places with the blue and just coloring the bridge. I'm using my white pen to draw the bricks over the palace and to show some lines over the palace and the houses. It was very difficult to draw these bricks in very small places, and it's not very equal, and I have made mistakes, but you cannot see over here, but I have done mistakes while drawing bricks. I'm just drawing some random stars to fill over the left spaces because I think that there is too much of blank space, and the sky also seems